Welcome! In this tutorial, we are going to look at how you can use CA Mainframe Application Tuner, or MAT, to detect activity and locate possible reasons for delays in your mainframe Java application. The CA MAT team has added features to filter out Java classes in your monitors. Using this information, we can trace pinch points down to specific Java statements. Let's see how this would work in a real-world situation. We've had some reports from users that one of our Java applications is running slowly. Let's start CA MAT and see if we can identify any probable causes. Here is the CA MAT web UI. To begin the process, we will select Add Monitor and set the required parameters. Next, we want to set the parameters specific to Java applications. In order for MAT to monitor your Java application, we need to specify the URL where it's running. So in the first box, I'm going to enter Simple Test Web. Notice the wildcard support. Now we can move to specifying the Java classes that we want to monitor. If I wasn't sure which part of my application was causing delays, I could simply leave the box empty. This default setting is the same as specifying all. That could return a whole mass of information, and it might be hard to search through. For this example, there's a specific part of the application that I'm interested in. Maybe it was updated recently, and thus a likely culprit. I've added all classes beginning with this string to my inclusions. You can see the I preceding the class name here. This tells CA MAT that I'm only interested in these classes. All others are excluded. Similarly, we could add an E to the class name. This would exclude these classes, but include all others. This is useful if there are classes returning a lot of data that you aren't really interested in. But in this case, I know where I'm looking. So I'm going to put the I back. For more info on this new feature and how you can include these as global filters for every monitor, check the links on your screen. Our monitor is now set up. I'll just pop back to the main page and quickly check the rest of my settings and click OK. It's now in my monitor profile list. Next, we want to invoke the monitor and await our results. Our monitor has finished, and we can look at the details in our overview panel. Okay, let's have a look at our Java tab. And, as expected, the monitor only contains data matching our URL filter, Simple Test Web. If we right-click and select the Application Classes option, we see classes used by the application. By default, MAT organises the table by total percentage of time. And our table shows that this method at the top is taking the bulk of runtime. And looking across, we can see the line number in the source code of that class that CA MAT has identified as a potential source of delays. By looking at the source code, we can see that here is the line number in the code, and here is the SQL statement being executed. When we talked to the DBA, we found that there were 10 million rows and no index. That concludes this demonstration of the process that you can use to utilize CA MAT to help you identify sources of delays in your Java applications. Thanks for watching. For more information on this and any other features of CA MAT, use the link on your screen or in the description below.